Barcelona now. Do something in Barcelona. And we are investigating putting the plant in China. So, yep.
Cool. And mostly this will be your sales?
This is all sales right here. Yep, the sales office will be right here with the estimating as well.
So you guys got your work cut out for it.
That's right.
And what are they doing with the extra space that you moved out of?
They've moved some things around, and again, if we hired anybody else, we wouldn't have a place to put them. So, you know, as we can continue to grow, we need to keep adding people for engineering, program management, quality, things like that. Yep.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Very happy to welcome you to the new square building.
We're happy to be here. Making a little bit noisier in there for you, that's for sure. All right. Well, thank you, everybody. Appreciate it.
Thank you.
Appreciate everybody's time. All right.
Good
Thanks.
luck and everything.
Appreciate it. Thanks.
Hi, I'm Jim Pruitt.